How to send a friend request on Discord. The first thing you have to do is open up your Discord application. There are quite a few ways to send a friend request on your Discord server. So, what you want to do first is head over to your DMs or your messages section, and at the top you have an option called Add Friends. So, simply tap on that. Now, you can either share your QR code or your invite code on other platforms like Messenger, Telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp, or you could also send this via a link, or you could add this via username. So simply search for a username and then tap on send friend request. And as you can see here, the friend request has been sent. Now, once the other person accepts the request, you will be able to add them as your friend on Discord. And if you want to copy link, tap on this copy link option. And now your link will be copied. And then you can send it wherever you want. So let me just send this on a WhatsApp group. I'm just going to send this like this. And now if someone taps on this link, it will redirect them to my profile on Discord and they'll be able to add it on the group. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.